The other day, I fell off my chair. No way.
Yeah.
Like, no way.
And
it's crazy.
I sprained my ankle and it hurt really bad. Like,
Yeah, you know what like, I hate?
what?
Like, I don't even know. Like, everything.
Wait, oh my god, hold on. Steven's calling me.
Oh my god.
Steven.
No way. What is he saying?
He's saying like gay stuff. Like, I can already tell. Hello?
What does he want?
What do you want, Steven? I don't care, Steven. No, we're over, Steven. No, we really are. We are. We're just... You make me so mad. Steven!
This is so
Steven!
much. This is so much drama.
This is like drama aisle right now.
Like, could this be any more drama?
Steven, what are you talking about?
Are you in a weird
Steven, shut up.
There's
Steven.
so much drama.
Steven, shut up.
I can't even take it anymore. There's just so much drama.
Steven, I'm done with you. I'm done.
Oh my god.
I'm done with Steven. I really am. It's just
There's
done.
too much drama. Too much. Just I can't handle it here.